Alright, so before I go to the spot that I always do my sunrise shots from in video, I'm going to show where I park right here along Sturgis Street, which is off of Arlington Road. Arlington Road is the main road that goes across the main pond. See, this morning it's a little bit unusual, but see a lot of Canada geese here. I came out to forage early in the morning. There's the smaller parking lot. I'll use that sometimes, but that was closed very recently with the whole coronavirus stuff. There's some mallards too that came out. There's a little squirrel, a little sleeping mallard. And then this right here is actually a mallard pair, but one of the mallard on the right, is a hybrid, which is kind of interesting. So, and then right alongside, on the other side of here is the main pond. I just see it right through that thicket right there. But so again, if we go back, there's where it connects up to the main road up here. And there's my car right there along. Now we're gonna say hi to Mr. Bunny or Mr. Squirrel, and then head to our spot. All right, now here's the spot that I call the split. The reason I call it the split is because you have the main pond on this side. You can see the sun is almost ready to come above the horizon over here. But on this side, right here, you have some of the offshoots, or the brook, or I sometimes will call the lagoons. And there, if I zoom in a little bit, you might be able to see the swan family over there with some of the little ones. Love seeing that every time. And back over here on the main split, you can hear and maybe see some of the Canada geese that are traveling right now, finding their spots for the morning. Just love how the rising sun glistens on the water too. So beautiful. So now I went about maybe another couple hundred feet up the split. I'm still on it here. I want to show a wide view. Yeah, this is actually a popular fishing spot too, but nobody's fishing here today. I don't know why. It's a beautiful morning. So, pan here. You can see some of the houses along Arlington Road. The islands right down there, and I will zoom in a little bit. I want to show the wide scope first. It goes back on along on the trails that people follow if you want to walk the main pond. I used to, but I typically find more when I go along, at least for nature-wise, when I go along the back ponds. Large red, it might be a heron going right across over there. But now that we're zoomed in a little bit, you can see the islands over here. I'm going to go back towards where the sun should be rising shortly. There.